Question number 11, 2024 bar exam. So, this is my answer for number 11. So, the question is, the member of the barangay council wanted to make the Yuletide celebration of these constituents more festive. Accordingly, the barangay council adopted a resolution authorizing the solicitation of funds from private individuals to build a 7-footer tall statue of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer in the plaza in the front of Basilica. The residents from other barangay questioned the resolution for alleged violation of Section 5, Article 3 of the 1987 Constitution, which states that no law shall be made respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. Is the barangay resolution invalid for violation of the non-establishment clause? Explain. Answer yes. It violated the non-establishment clause of the freedom of religion. Limon test is applied. A test whether an act of the government violates the non-establishment clause. To pass the Limon test, a government or policy must 1. Have a secular purpose, 2. Not promote or favor any sect, set of religious beliefs or religion generally, and 3. Not get the government too closely entangled with the religion. Limon versus Kurtzman, 403 U.S. 602, June 28, 1971. The non-establishment clause means that the state should adopt a position of neutrality when it comes to religious matter. Political Law Reviewer Suarez, page 252, citing C.J. Fernando, 2011. The non-establishment clause bars the state from establishing true laws, rules, and moral. Article 6, Section 21, 1. No money shall be paid out of treasury except in pursuant of an appropriation made by law. 2. No public money or property shall be appropriated, applied, paid, or employed directly or indirectly for the use, benefit, or support of any sect, church, denomination, sectarian institution, or system of religion, or any priest, preacher, minister, or other religious teacher or dignitary as such, except when such priest, preacher, minister is assigned to the armed forces or to the penal institution or government orphanage or leprosarium. 3. All money collected on any tax levied for a special purpose shall be treated as a special fund and paid out for such purpose only. If the purpose for which a special fund was created has been fulfilled or abandoned, the balance in any, if any, shall be transferred to the general funds of the government. Government sponsorship of town fiestas, some purely religious tradition, have now been considered as having acquired secular character. Garces versus Estinso, GR number 25347, May 25, 1981. Voluntarism as a social value means that the growth of a religious sect as a social force must come from the voluntary support of its members because of the belief that both spiritual and secular society will benefit if religions are allowed to compete on their own intrinsic merit without benefit of official patronage. Bernas, SJ 2011. Purpose of non-establishment clause protects voluntarism and two, insulation of political process from interfaith dissension. So that's it. That's my answer for number 11. That's the question and that's the answer. So I hope and pray that our answers will coincide. So if that answer is wrong, then I think there's something lacking, or there might be some defects, not on our brains, I but on maybe on the video or the phone. Thank you. Good day and good night. Good day and God bless.